Hello. Today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about a social studies course that I'm designing in a blended fashion so that I can integrate technology with the content that I was already teaching. The specific focus of this social studies unit is going to be on physical geography of communities across the United States of America. I'm planning this course content for third grade students in an educational setting that is completely inclusionary with a heterogeneously grouped third grade classroom. And I have about 30 minutes a day to teach social studies. So one of the most important things that we work on when we're studying physical geography in third grade are landforms. So one of the key concepts that we're going to be developing over the course are our knowledge and understanding of the different landforms. Now, there are a plethora of different landforms that we could study, but we're going to focus on 6 of the major landforms, including mountains, deserts, valleys, oceans, rivers, and lakes. And after studying each of these, the students are going to use their knowledge to create their own visual dictionary, a picture dictionary. So we'll spend some time with each of the specific landforms, those 6 landforms, and we'll really understand what those landforms look like. And we're also going to be talking about how those landforms impact the types of things you would do if you were traveling to that area. Because the end result, what we're looking for at the end, is for students to pick some of their favorite places across the country and design a digital travel brochure. So it's going to be really important that they understand the landforms for where they're creating their brochure, because that is going to be then integrated into their digital brochure. So when they're saying, hey, you should come to the Grand Tetons, for instance, like where I've traveled to, because there are mountains, then they can explain what that means and what you might be able to do if you enjoy mountains, like hiking in the mountains. So that's the main focus, is understanding physical geography. We're also going to talk about natural resources and climate. And the end goal is going to be for students to choose some place in the United States and create a brochure, including the physical geography of the community they choose. So I'm looking forward to integrating technology into course content to make an already fun and engaging social studies unit even better. Thanks so much.